next one is essential kit to take that isn't on the list.
Oh. Maybe a bit of tape or some blister plasters, because I don't know if that's on the list or not, but I'd definitely recommend some of those, because I've got quite wide feet, so if lads have got quite wide feet, you will get blisters from your boots, for sure, and breaking in your boots as well. Yeah, you're going to spend a lot of time with them, so maybe a couple of blister plasters. Other than that, I'd say a lot of the kit we were given, so all the boot polish, brushes, etc. We were given all that during the ROP. I don't know if you were as well.
No, so, we had to bring all that ourselves.
Yeah, all the lads was told to, so we all brought it, but then we got given like a goodie bag with it all in.
Oh, fair enough.
But I'd say, yeah, everything that was on that list, I'd say it covers pretty much everything, other than just blister plasters. Yeah.